Hey guys, welcome back to Delve. Today I will be showing you how to create Waze link with Waypoints. So first things first is you could just simply go ahead and open up the Waze application into your device. Now here on the Waze guys, you could just simply go ahead and start a location where you are going to, select where to down below. And for example, I am going to go ahead and go for the Baguio. And from here, it will calculate some routes that I could take. Now, from here, as you can see, I have two options over here. I could just simply select a go now. Now, guys, if you want to make a waypoints, I could just simply go to the tab over here. And now I could just simply select add a stop. And here on a add to stop, I could just simply select multiple categories over here, or you could just simply add a specific location where you want to stop. But for example, I'm going to go for gas. And from here, it will provide me some gasoline station that I will have along the way during my route. So for example, I am just going to go for pet run over here, and I'm just going to go select go over here and select add a stop. So pretty much you can add as many stop as you can and customize your route to become more specific. Now, if you want to share the route that you make, as you can see down below, you will have an option, share drive. So go ahead and select share drive down below. And from here, as you can see, you could share it to your group, your feed, your Gmail chat, Gmail or Messenger. Or if you want more options, select more options. And from here, you could also copy the link, or you could go ahead and select a platform over here where you want to share your Waze link with the Waypoints.